Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafsa Eishaan. I'm from class 8 Iqra International School, Kashmir branch Habbak, and today I'm going to give a brief presentation on the topic microorganisms, friend and foe. So, first of all, let us know that what are microorganisms and why are they called microorganisms? Microorganisms are organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye, and they are called microorganisms because they are too small so that we see them with a microscope. But one of them is fungi, which we can see with a magnifying glass too. If you have observed in rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and there are some gray spots on it. That's also because of fungi. That's fungi. If you see with a magnifying glass, you will be able to see the fungi. So these microorganisms are classified into four groups: bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. So these microorganisms are useful for us in many ways, but on the other hand, they are also harmful for us. So first of all, we will learn that how are they useful for us. Microorganisms help us in making curd out of milk, and the microorganism which is responsible for it is known as lactobacillus. Secondly, commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are also used to make alcohol and wine in large scales. And from age, it's from past uh, this alcohol and wine are made from microorganisms. So this is a commercial use. Next is medical use of microorganisms. When you fell ill, the doctor recommend you some tablets and antibiotics. The source of these medicines is also microorganisms. So next, these microorganisms help us to keep the environment clean. You know how when there's the dead body of any animal, so it decays, or there's plant waste or vegetable waste, it also decays. This is also because of microorganisms. When they decompose, our environment remains clean. So the last reason is they help us in nitrogen fixation too. So these microorganisms also help us to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich the soil, and the microorganism which is responsible for it is known as blue-green algae. So these were some reasons why these microorganisms are useful for us. Now we will learn these why are they harmful for us. So the main reason why these microorganisms are harmful for us are diseases. These microorganisms cause diseases in our body, and